How's that? Brendan here from Infinite Investments. And my goodness, Christmas season is upon us. Things feel like they're slowing down, but for us, speeding up. The office might be closed, but deals are definitely still going down. We've got offers on some of our existing properties. We've got offers going in on other properties, and the Atlanta market is just unplayable at the moment. It's just insane. We've got a few offers that have actually come through, but my goodness, the properties we're looking at, they're selling on the future pro forma if you do the work. So if you want to be able to bump the rents and move them up, they're saying we're not going to do the work, but we're going to sell it to you on the value as if the work has been done already, and that you achieved the market bump, and that you got the rental income that you expected to get and better, that you were able to push the rents high after some capex expenditure, and that's just ridiculous. Like trying to buy a property on the future potential income instead of what it's actually doing right now today, and the market's paying. That's what's even more ridiculous, is they buying on a in-place today cap rate of 4.5 on a future income of a 6 cap if you can get the rental bumps after you spend the money. And what they do is, let's say there's 150 or 200 units, they'll go and prove that they're getting the rental income bumps on 10 or 15 or maybe 20 of the units. So they'll do a small amount of renovation, and then they'll say, if you keep this thing going, you'll get the rental bumps that I'm getting, right now. So based on that, they're saying buying it at the future income as if you had done the work today. Let me put it this way: if somebody can buy property like that and still make money in a market that is it's too hot, it cannot last the way it's going at the moment, especially when you look at what's going on in the market. Well, if somebody can buy like that and still make money, I take my hat off to them. Like it's very well done. They got bigger balls than me. So I can't buy like that. I can buy on what the current income is on the property at a realistic price, where we can actually get a decent cash flow out the gates today and some potential for upside down the line. I can't buy taking into account that the upside's already happened and I've got to spend all the money and do all the work to achieve it. And even then, when I do achieve it, if I achieve it, I'm still getting an average cash on cash instead of a great cash on cash. It should go from average to fantastic if you do the work. It shouldn't be from terrible to average on the maybe that you do the work and you achieve the results that they're saying they're achieving. You don't know if they actually are achieving it, or if they're stuffing the leases, or if they're doing anything weird. So be careful out there in a market that's overheated like this. One of the great investors said, be fearful when they're greedy and be greedy when they're fearful. At the moment, be fearful. There's lots and lots of greedy people out there that are buying at ridiculous prices, overpaying for properties, and I don't want to be one of them. I don't want to be one of the people that's overpaying for properties. I'd rather wait for the correction that I think is coming. I don't know if it's going to come just yet. We still have to see how the impact of the tax breaks that Trump put in place this year play out next year, with a large amount of corporate tax dollars that are going to be flowing into the market. Let's see if that offsets some of the rate hikes and the sort of cap rate hikes we can expect over the next year or two, if the market starts sort of coming right a little bit and getting a little bit of sense into it. I'm hoping for a correction so that we can start buying some aggressively again, but at this point in time, if people are willing to overpay, I'll just sit on the sidelines and just wait for the right deal. Take care and good luck. Bye.